Sloppy Bo is a fun, delicious, and vegetarian twist on a sloppy joe. In place of ground meat and the tomato sauce, I filled the sandwich with a plant-based tofu bolognese sauce. Let me show you how to make it. First, we'll prepare the filling. Made with super firm tofu, Nasoya Plantspired Classic Bolognese sauce has the same meaty texture of ground beef, which is an ideal replacement for any animal protein. Heat the olive oil in a sauce pot and add the garlic and chili flakes, cooking until they're lightly toasted. Add the green peppers and cook for an additional minute. Add the classic bolognese sauce and bring to a simmer. Let the sauce cook for a few minutes until it slightly reduces. Then stir in the fresh basil. Now it's time to put together our Sloppy Bo. Place a generous spoonful of the Sloppy Bo on a toasted bun and top with some of your favorite pepperoncini slaw. Rich and satisfying, this healthy spin on Sloppy Joes delivers the same great taste even meat lovers will enjoy. You'll never go back to the old version once you've tried this tasty plant-based sandwich. Enjoy!